Now that we have images of bumblebees that we can use for identification, it's time to add them to iNaturalist so that we can get them ID'd. If you are new to iNaturalist, now's a good time to pause the video and download the app. Now that iNaturalist is installed, click the icon to open the app. If you're new to iNaturalist, your profile will be empty and you won't have any observations. At this point, I would like to ask you to join the Bumble Bees of Ontario project. To join this project, click on the More icon in the lower right, the Projects button, and then the magnifying glass in the upper right. Type in Bumble Bees, and as you type, it'll autocomplete and probably come up sooner than having to type in the whole word. Click on Bumble Bees of Ontario and the Join button. Now you can go back to your profile by clicking the back arrow in the upper left. You can cancel your search, and then the little me icon in the lower part of the screen. Now we're ready to submit our first observation. To do this, click the observe icon in the bottom of the screen, and then the picture icon in the lower right hand corner. Now you can select your camera roll where you've been storing your bumblebee images. Now it's important that we only upload really high quality images of bumblebees for identification. Blurry images, or images where the bee is obscured, aren't going to work. You can check these in your camera roll beforehand and discard them, or if you're like me and you forget, you can always check it in iNaturalist. It's just a little more difficult, and I'll demonstrate that in a moment. We now want to select the 3 different images of the bumblebee for identification: the dorsal or top view, the lateral or side view, and the face image if we have them. Selecting those 3 images, we can then hit done and go to the next screen to fill in the details. If you are unsure about the quality of your photo, when you're on the detail screen, you can always click on the thumbnails to load the image, and then you can pinch and zoom to double check to make sure that they're high quality. iNaturalist has this great feature that uses artificial intelligence to try to identify records that you're uploading. To utilize this feature, click the What Did You See button. After a moment, iNaturalist will present you with a list of possible identifications. If you're not totally sure, just select Bombus. Once you've selected a species, double check that the date and time is correct and that a location has been set. If no location is present, please enter one. Once you've confirmed that the date and location are correct, click Share to share your record to the community. If you're submitting an observation with images captured from video, one issue is that the location data will be stripped from those images. You have 2 options. You can manually enter that location information, or you can use an image captured from the same day and location as the video to fill it in automatically for you. To do this, we do it the same way as we create any other observation. We go to Observe, and then we go to our camera roll, and we select images captured from a video, and one image captured from the same day and location as the video. Click Done, Next, and after a moment, iNaturalist will scrape the images for information and populate the location for you. Once the location information loads, you're able to go into the image thumbnails and delete the image that's not from the video. Then follow the steps as before to submit a species, double check your information, and share your observation.